quarantine, we decided to learn how to make our own
Starbucks chocolate Frappuccino. My favorite. Let's go. For your ingredients, you'll need some ice, milk, vanilla extract, chocolate chips, any kind of chocolate syrup, sugar, and then if you want, you can have some whipped cream for topping at the end. For our first ingredient, you will need
ice. 2 cups of ice.
Next, you will need 1 cup of milk. I have not tried this with almond milk or any other type of milk. I'm just using 2% milk. But, I mean, you can experiment if you want. That's the wrong side. This side.
Now we're going to add 1/3 cup
of Semisweet chocolate chips. And you can add in a little more if you want to. And I think we are going to do that. For our next ingredient, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of your chocolate syrup.
Isn't
Our
this
handy
cute?
dandy little cutie
It's so
thingy.
cute. It's tiny.
So mommy wanted me to add in that she hugged me because I said, what did
Hold
I say?
on.
I said, hold on.
I held on.
And so she held on. Now I'm going to add in just a little bit more because if you can't tell, see there's a little more. If you can't tell, there's some stuff in this and I didn't want to dig it out. So I'm just adding a little bit.
I'll be waiting for mine.
Next, you're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Sugar time.
Now for our last ingredient, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. It's almost time. Now we're gonna put this on. And this serves 2, but in the description below will be ingredients for 1. We're gonna start off on the low, and we're gonna start off on 2. It seems about ready because if there's a little bit of ice chunks in it, that's okay, just as long as they're not too big. I'm going to drizzle some chocolate syrup on the sides.
So good.
Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please.
Look. You could put whipped cream on it. Save some for her. Oh, look. Seriously. Save some for her. I mean,
Put that out.
I don't teach math or anything, but I think she got more.
From Starbucks, if you're hiring,
We love Starbucks. Don't get us wrong.
yeah, hire me.
No. Totally still going to Starbucks, but this is really quick. 1, 2, 3.
That's so good.
So good, seriously. I would share, but there's not enough. So if you want some, you'll have to holler at us. Who knows, maybe we could deliver for you. Have a great day.
Cheers.